So what is the Yamaha Malta? So this is a Yamaha Malta. It's a portable light engine, 17 kilos, 2-stroke. It comes in a short and long shaft with a tiller, forward and neutral gears, and reverse is obtained by rotating the engine 180 degrees. So the name Yamaha Malta doesn't actually have a direct connection with the island Malta. Yamaha had a habit of giving some of the smaller engines distinctive names, such as the Malta, Pacer and Enduro series. These names often evoke ideas of travel, durability and exotic appeal. In the case of this engine, the Malta, is likely chosen for branding purposes to suggest a compact seaworthy engine, suited for Mediterranean-style boating on small tenders in clear waters and short island hopping. So this Yamaha Malta was made from '88 up until about 2007. This is the 6L5 model, which indicates a 3 horsepower 2-stroke. Like I say, the model was designed for small boats and tenders, offering a lightweight and reliable 2-stroke suitable for calm waters and short distance travel. It comes with an internal fuel tank, no external, very compact and light, all in one package, and quite a reliable engine. So that's it for the Yamaha Malta engine.